Congratulations on finally making the decision to protect your home and family with Impact Glass Windows. In addition to safety and security for your family from burglary or hurricanes, Impact Windows can also reduce noise inside your home and save you significantly on your electric bills. Did you know you can also save up to 40% off your homeowner's insurance as long as you make sure your Impact windows are properly installed by a company certified by the Florida Impact Window Installer Association? Before signing a contract, make sure that the company you are working with has passed certification by searching on the Florida Impact Window Installer Association website by company name at fiwia.org.